welcome to our channel where we unveil the future of technology. In this video, we'll be diving into the highly anticipated iPhone 15 series. So, let's get started. The long-awaited iPhone 15 series has finally arrived, and it's bringing a host of exciting new features and upgrades. In this in-depth video, we'll dive into the different iPhone 15 models, highlighting their fresh features and top-notch performance. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one suits your needs best. First up, let's talk design and display. The iPhone 15 series boasts a sleek new look, featuring a robust, color-infused glass back and refined contoured edges. It's available in a striking array of colors, including blue, red, green, and classic black. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus sport a generous 6.1 inches display, while the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max step it up with a 6.7 inches screen. What's more, all four models come equipped with the new dynamic island display, complete with a distinctive pill-shaped cutout for the true depth camera system. Now, let's focus on the camera enhancements. The iPhone 15 series introduces a range of improvements, including a cutting-edge 48-megapixel main camera equipped with a quad-pixel sensor. This translates to even sharper and more detailed photos and videos. For the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, there's a brand new telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom and an ultra-wide camera boasting a 120-degree field of view, perfect for capturing those breathtaking landscapes. One of the most significant changes in the iPhone 15 series is the adoption of Type-C charging. This means you can now use the same charger for your iPhone and your other devices like Android phones, laptops, and tablets, simplifying your charging setup. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 series is powered by the formidable A15 Bionic chip, the fastest mobile processor ever created. This means the iPhone 15 can effortlessly tackle the most demanding tasks you throw at it. Now, which iPhone 15 model should you choose? It all comes down to your specific requirements and budget. If you're seeking the ultimate iPhone experience with top-tier cameras, unparalleled processing power, and extended battery life, the iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max is your go-to option. However, if you're more budget-conscious, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus deliver many of the same fantastic features as the Pro models at a more affordable price. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 series offers a diverse range of features and performance options, catering to various needs and budgets. To wrap it up, the iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max is ideal for those seeking the pinnacle of iPhone excellence. Still, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus are fantastic choices, especially for budget-conscious buyers.